So for my next prop, I decided that I needed something to go along with my scare cam for the startle effect for the scare cam. So I was checking it out online, and there's this thing called a horn blaster, and I decided that would be the ideal noise to startle the guests and get the best reactions from them for the picture being taken. So I was checking it out, and the price they wanted online was way too much, so I figured I could probably make it myself. So for now, come along with me as I build the air blaster. Alright, so I am ready for the next prop on the list, and this one is going to be a horn blaster. I'm going to use it with my Fright Cam. So I was looking online at Fright Props, and they want this particular prop for a little over $360. And I think I can make it for right around 150. That includes the tank and these horns, which I got from them. They were $55 by themselves, and then plus the controller. So that all totals up down right around 150, I think. So considerably less than buying it already pre-made, and yeah, I think I can do it myself. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we have is the air tank. Got this from Harbor Freight, 11 gallons. Alright, it's a pretty good size. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is we gotta take the gauge off. Don't need that. Alright, so I got this half-inch nipple. I don't know how long it is, 3-4 inches, doesn't matter. Fits. Put this Teflon tape on it. Alright, so that put in. Alright, so I have a half-inch T here and two half-inch, 2/4-inch reducers, one on each side. Alright, so I got this all put together before I put the T on the nipple here. Got the air valve, the T, there's a reducer here, another reducer, the 1/4-inch nipple, and the air gauge. Alright, so I got my 3-way solenoid that I'm getting ready to hook up to here. Actually, what I'm thinking, after looking at this, I might get a small nipple like this size, a 1/4-inch nipple, and attach it up like that, just so that it's a little more supportive. There's not so much flopping around down here. So, but I'm going to hook an air line up from this into this, and then I have a Peekaboo one that I'm going to use for right now, just to test it out. So let me get this hooked up to the solenoid. Alright, everything is set up. I hope. And I'm getting ready to test it here. So I'm hooked up to the Peekaboo one here. This is just for testing. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Works. Okay, that's pretty loud. I have the air at 20. Let me turn it up here to 40 and see if that makes it louder. Hear the dogs? Dogs are all pissed off at me around the neighborhood. Oh. Okay, so adjusting the air pressure coming out obviously makes a difference to how loud it is. It's pretty loud. It was pretty loud at 20, and it's going to be inside of a building, so I'm not going to have the air up very loud. There's a lot of wiring that goes into powering up two devices with the one Peekaboo, so that's why I tested it with just the Peekaboo one. So once I get it all set up in the room where it's going, I'll make sure that it's wired up correctly and all synced up for the camera and the sound. So anyway, that's the Horn Blaster all done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.